I am down here in our aluminum shop.
I stay putting in that work. Everything I get, I'm hurt. You can tell by the way I walk, I ain't just talking about it. I stay putting in that work. Everything I get, I'm hurt. You can tell by the way I walk, I ain't just talking about it. I stay putting in that work. I'm up in the morning like 5 in the morning, I'm already on. So when you just getting out of it, that's why I'm rounding.
I am down here in our aluminum shop. I have the bed off of an F150, one of the newer aluminum bodied F150s. And this one's gonna get a new bedside. It's ripped open down here, right in this corner here, crushed throughout this area. I have the new side right here. I'm gonna go ahead and get this one cut off, then I will start prepping out fitting up the new one. So this bedside has some adhesive going right through here, so I'm gonna warm it up to get it to release. So you can see right here, the inside of this old bedside has a sound deadening pad there and over here as well. I just have some generic ones. And I like to warm these up first before I stick them. But these just help with the road noise. Alright, well I got this bedside all fit up. My tailgate lines up very nicely. So I'm going to go ahead and lift the bedside back off, and I will lay out all my panel bond adhesive and I will put it back on permanently this time around. All right, well, I got this one all rivet bonded on. I'm gonna let the glue dry for a bit. I'm gonna keep on moving this heat lamp around here and there to different spots to help it cure faster. And then I will come back later once the glue is dry and clean it up the rest of the way and send this one up to our paint shop.